Hey everyone, welcome to All Auto Parts Group, your trusted partner for all automotive solutions. I'm here today to talk about a great solution for all the Buick owners out there looking for a reliable used engine. Have you ever thought about the benefits of choosing a used engine over a brand new one? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, let's talk quality assurance. With All Auto Parts Group, you're not just getting any used engine. Each one undergoes rigorous testing and inspection by expert technicians to meet or even exceed OEM standards. This means you get peace of mind and confidence with your purchase, knowing you're driving away with a top-notch engine. Now you might be wondering about selection. Whether you drive a Buick Enclave, LaCrosse, Regal, or any other model, All Auto Parts Group has got you covered with a vast inventory. This wide selection ensures that you find the perfect match for your vehicle, which is key for compatibility and optimal performance. Let's talk about cost. We all know that purchasing a new engine can be a heavy hit to the wallet, but with All Auto Parts Group, you save money without compromising on quality. Plus, there's an added bonus warranties on engines to give you extra protection and value. And here's something for the environmentally conscious. Choosing a used engine is an eco-friendly decision. By reusing and recycling automotive parts, you help reduce waste and conserve natural resources. It's a win-win for both your pocket and the planet. Now, if you're worried about availability and wait times, don't be. All Auto Parts Group offers immediate availability and quick turnaround times. This means less downtime for your vehicle and a faster return to the road. Lastly, let's talk about proven performance. The used engines at All Auto Parts Group come with a proven track record of reliability in real-world driving conditions. Their meticulous inspection process ensures only the best engines make it to you. So, if you're in need of a reliable, cost-effective engine for your Buick, All Auto Parts Group is your go-to source. Our customers have enjoyed seamless engine replacements with engines that run perfectly, all at unbeatable prices. That's it for today. If you're interested, head over to ALLAUTOPARTS.world or call +1 865 505 0345 to explore their inventory and find the perfect used Buick engine for your vehicle. Thanks for tuning in and drive safe.